How to hide message notification on Instagram? It's an easy process, so let's start. So first of all, open your Instagram app and then go to the profile. After that, click to the three dot menu in the top right side and then click to the settings and privacy. After that, just click to the notification options and then click to the messages option. After that, just click to the off option in the all options, and then your all messages notification will be turned off, and then you can see a option that additional option in the system settings, so click on that, and then you can see lots of notifications, so just click to the direct request options, and then you can see likes notification or photos of you, so just click to the notification option off, and then your all the notification from Instagram will be turned off. So that's the process how you can hide message notification on Instagram. So hope this helps you.